Howdy guys, so for today's video I will be teaching you how to download Spotify songs. So this will be a quick one, and first thing that you need to have is a Spotify Premium. This wouldn't work without a premium version of Spotify. So first thing you want to do is go to Spotify app, like so, wait for it to load, and then as you can see the different albums and playlists, what you want to do is for example, go to a song or an album, and then go to click the three horizontal dots on the beside the song, and then go to add to playlist, like so. And then you can add a new playlist if you like, or you can add it to an already existing playlist. For example, I will do downloaded. And then once it's in, you can click on the three horizontal dots below the playlist title, like so, here. And then once you have a premium Spotify, it should show up here the option that shows download. And then from there, you can enjoy your playlist. You can download your whole playlist, or you can also download it individually. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day.